The question is, find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying the prime factorization method. The first question, 12, 15, 21, three numbers. Prime factorization means we choose the prime numbers only. 2 6 are 12, 2 3 are 6, 3 5 are 15, 3 7 are 21. So 12 factors, product of 2, 2 and 3. 15 is equal to product of 3 and 5. 21 equal to product of 3 and 7. Okay. In this, HCF means in all what is a common number that you write it. 3 is there. HCF is 3. What is the LCM? LCM equal to 3 one time, product of 2 and 5 and 7. 2, 2, 5 and 7. Here 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20, 23s are 60, 60 7s are 7 6 are 42, 420 is the LCM. So LCM is 420, HCF is 3. Next, second one, 17, 23, 29. See, observe here, 17 is a prime number, 23 is a prime number, 29 is also a prime number. So 17 can write it as 1 into 17, 23 can write it as 1 into 23, 29 is equal to 1 into 29. So what is the HCF? If you take product of itself of 1 only, you easy to identify what is the HCF. HCF is 1. LCM is equal to 17, product of 17, 23 and 29. You multiply it, 23 and 17, 7 3s are 21, 2, 3 1s are 3, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 3, 17, 17 plus 2, 19, 9, 1 is carry over, 2 1s are 2, 3. 391 is product with 29. 9 ones are 9, 9 nines are 81, 9 threes are 27 plus 8, 35. 2 ones are 2, 2 nines are 18, 1, 2 threes are 6 plus 1, 7. 9, 3, 13, 11,339 is the LCM. HCF is 1.